Hi guys, Ankan here from Editectives, and this is going to be an unboxing and the review video of the small USB 2.0 multimedia desktop and laptop speakers called Quantum Q611. So this is a budget oriented device and I have brought it from Amazon for about 225 rupees including the delivery charge. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox this and see what kind of packaging we get inside of it. So this is the box here, and we also get an invoice inside the box. Here all the details are written over here. You can see that the price is 225 rupees, which is a very cheap product. And here the box, the overlook of the box, that looks like. You can see there high bass, unmatched sound clarity, and USB 2.0. The model number which written over here is QHM611, and this speakers comes with the Qualcomm brand, and it comes with about one year of warranty, but there isn't written over here anything. But on the box there is not any information about the warranty, but on the side they're telling me that I will get about 1 year of warranty of this box. So there is nothing to show on the box here. There you can see some small specifications. Here you can see some small specifications written over here. The power output is 3 watt, and the distortion is 1%, and the frequency response, which is the main highlight, is from the lowest part is 60 Hz and the highest part is 20 kilohertz. So let's unbox this and see that how it looks like. So this is the small portable speakers from the box. Just peel off the plastic. So here is the model number is written over here, and the build quality is seems to be pretty good and solid build quality, and there is a notch design on the speaker grill, you can see. And there are two ports. One is the USB port that you can plug to your desktop or laptop, and that will provide the power to these small speakers. And there is also a 3.5 mm jack that you can plug into your mobile phone or laptop or desktop to noise it off. Okay, and the cable is pretty good, pretty long cable. Here you can see the pretty long cable, and the distance between these two speakers are about 2 foot, which is good and sufficient for the laptop and desktop users, because you can place it on the two side of the monitor or your laptop. On the back side you can see there is a volume rocker to increase and decrease the volume of the speaker itself, and there should be 2 holes on the back side that we usually find on this kind of speakers, but which is completely missing from the back. But I was expecting a hole in the back side, because this will help the speakers to give some bass, but we literally cannot find any kind of hole. I think I have to make the hole manually, but nevertheless let's check the sound quality, that which is judgeable according to this price range or not. So let's check this. So here I am with the checking of the sound quality. I have this ROG IDP 105 power bank with me, and I will plug this cable to this power bank. And I also posted the review of this power bank, which comes within 500 rupees. So you can obviously check the description if you're interested to see the unboxing of this power bank. Okay, now here I have plugged the cable to it, and the power bank is on. As you can see, the LED lights up. Okay, and now I will plug this 3.5mm jack to my mobile phone. Now I will play some music.
Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído. Para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Cuando tú me besas, con ese regreso, toda la malicia. Suave, suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Y es que esa belleza es un rompecabezas, pero para montarlo aquí tengo la pieza. Despacito, tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído.
Okay, so I have played this music to this speakers. Now I'll play the same song to my mobile phone, so that you can understand the difference between these speakers and also the speaker that comes with my mobile. Okay. So here comes with the conclusive part. So the speakers, according to the build quality for the price, is okay. The build quality is good, and I really love this notch in this speaker grill, which gives a very premium look to the speakers. And now coming to the sound quality is okay, but according to the price range, which is about 200 rupees, it's okay. And the sound could have been louder than the expected, but that doesn't matter because it's overall a budget oriented device. So if you are having a fixed budget under 300 rupees, so you can definitely go ahead and buy this from online store. I will place the best buying link of the speakers into the description, so if you are interested to buy this, you can obviously visit the online site as well. Thank you so much for watching this, and also subscribe my channel because I post very interesting tech related topics and tips, and also unboxing and review of new and cheap budget oriented gadgets. Okay, so thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one.